Hello everyone, this is Sean from Team Sean and Nick Real Estate, and I'm thrilled to be here with you today in Montreal's West Island. Today we're diving into the real estate statistics from October 2023. But before we get into the numbers, I want to share some intriguing observations from the current market. We've noticed a shift in home prices that have started to gradually descend. Properties listed 30 to 60 days ago are adjusting their price, presenting a more attractive market compared to the upwards trend we've seen in recent years. The question on everyone's mind is now the right time to buy? Well, that depends on your current financial situation. Although rates remain high, fixed rates have been showing a downward trend in the last few days. Now, let's dive into these stats to give you a comprehensive look on what's happening in the real estate landscape. All right, so let's take a look at the monthly statistics from October 2023 in the Montreal area. There was 1,022 sales, which is up 7% compared to the same time period of last year. As you can see here in the graph, as we get into May of this year, we hit the spike in sales. After those interest rates were, steadily rising, we start to see a decline in the sales, and we've seen a little uptick since then. Single-family homes are down 1% to $693,500. If we take a look at active listings, they are actually up 9% year over year. As you can see here in the graph, active listings have been steadily increasing since about January of this year. The condo market is actually up 2% to $451,000. This is most probably because getting into the market right now, the condo market is a little bit more affordable than a single-family home. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the single-family home market. Sales are up 17% year over year to 289, while active listings are actually up 9% to 2,073 listings. The median price, as mentioned before, is $693,500, which is a 1% decrease year over year, but a 5% decrease month over month. The average selling time is down 1 day to 51 days, and the types of negotiations we're seeing in the market right now are about 69% of sales are at asking price, while 4% were over asking price, and about 20% were under asking price, which is pretty significant. Now, let's take a look in the condo market. Sales are up 2% to 539 sales, while active listings are up 14% to 4,961 active listings. The median price, as mentioned before, was up 2% to $451,000, but also up 1% month over month. The average selling time is up 4 days to 57 days, and the types of negotiations we're seeing in the market are about 82% at asking price, 5% over asking, and about 13% under asking. This is most probably attributed due to the fact that the condo market is more affordable. Now, let's take a look at the summary of Montreal. The total sales for this year are at 11,687, down 16% from last year's sales of 13,845, while the current active listings year to date are actually up 25% to 7,774 from last year's numbers of 6,223. New listings year to date are actually down 8% to 22,718 compared to last year, which was 24,635. Let's take a look at the summary for the single-family homes. Sales are up 17% from last year, while year to date, we're actually down 6%. Active listings are up 34% to 1,851, while last year was 1,382. Here's an interesting stat over here. The median price of a single-family home on the island of Montreal year to date is down 2% to $715,000, while last year was $730,000. In the condominium market, we are seeing total sales up 2% to 539, but year to date, we're seeing sales down about 19% to 6,566, down from last year's 8,113. Active listings for the condo market are up about 14% to 4,961 compared to last year, 4,367. Year to date, active listings are up about 26% to 4,470 compared to last year's 3,551. If we take a look at the median price of a condo, there hasn't been much movement. The current period, we're at 451,000, which is up 2% from last year's number of 442. The median price of a condo year to date is down about 1% to 443,000 compared to last year at 449,000. That's it for this month's Montreal real estate statistics for October 2023. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out.